Number 11. While cord cutting has improved the binge-watching experience in many ways, its Achilles heel has always been its lack of local broadcast TV offerings. Antenna maker Mohu hopes to address this with its new Airwave, a $150 wireless antenna that brings local channels to platforms like Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, Android, and iOS. It makes live TV viewable through an app, making it possible to access in the same way you would Netflix or Hulu. Number 10. Mattel's Aristotle is like a smart baby monitor and Amazon Echo rolled into one. The smart voice-activated speaker works with a companion camera and is intended to help with tasks like soothing a crying baby, buying more diapers, encouraging kids to mind their manners, or helping them learn a foreign language. Number 9. LG hopes to make large-screen TVs blend into the living room as naturally as wallpaper. The company's new 77-inch TV is incredibly thin and light for its size, weighing just over 27 pounds. Similarly sized smart TVs from Samsung and Sony weigh around 80 and 73 pounds respectively. That's because LG's new TV is designed differently. The screen itself is separated from the guts of the system, which are contained in a Dolby Atmos soundbar that also includes I/O ports for connectivity. Number 8. While some laptop and desktop computers are designed to be customized and upgraded, Intel is thinking about how we'll be upgrading the various internet-connected home appliances and robots we may own in the future. Intel's Compute Card, which is about the size of a credit card, is a mini computer designed to be easily inserted into smart devices. The idea is to make upgrading gadgets like smart refrigerators, interactive retail kiosks, and connected security cameras as easy as swapping out one component. This prevents the need to buy an entirely new system once new standards in connectivity or faster processors are released. The computer includes essentially all of the same aspects of a standard-sized computer, including a processor, memory, storage, and wireless tech. Number 7. While some laptop and desktop computers are designed to be customized and upgraded, Intel is thinking about how we'll be upgrading the various internet-connected home appliances and robots we may own in the future. Intel's Compute Card, which is about the size of a credit card, is a mini computer designed to be easily inserted into smart devices. The idea is to make upgrading gadgets like smart refrigerators, interactive retail kiosks, and connected security cameras as easy as swapping out one component. This prevents the need to buy an entirely new system once new standards in connectivity or faster processors are released. The computer includes essentially all of the same aspects of a standard-sized computer, including a processor, memory, storage, and wireless tech. Number 6. Toyota doesn't believe the future of the car is only about teaching vehicles to drive for us. While the Concept I vehicle shown at CES would be capable of driving autonomously, its biggest draw is the artificial intelligence that powers it. Toyota claims the car will be able to learn more about the driver's preferences and needs over time, such as suggesting destinations after a driver chats with the vehicle's virtual assistant, called UI. Number 5. Asus is betting that in the near future we'll be using our phones for way more than hailing Ubers, playing games, and video chatting. The Zenfone AR, as its name implies, is built to provide augmented and virtual reality experiences. It supports two platforms created by Google to enable these technologies, Tango and Daydream, meaning its hardware is tailored to track motion, perceive depth, and learn about its surroundings to run AR and VR apps. Number 4. When you're using a laptop for doing work, playing video games, and streaming Netflix, one screen isn't always enough. So why not include 3? Razer's Project Valerie concept does just that by adding 2 foldable displays that expand out from the primary screen in the center. Each display is 17 inches diagonally and supports 4K resolution, and Razer says they can be used independently or together as one giant display. The downside, it weighs 12 pounds, which isn't unacceptable for a beefy gaming laptop but is way more than the average notebook. Number 3. Lenovo's new speaker is a slightly cheaper and more colorful alternative to the Amazon Echo. It includes 8 microphones that Lenovo says can pick up speech from 16 feet away. It's also powered by Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, meaning you'll get access to the same array of skills that you would with Amazon's own gadget. Similarly, Lenovo is touting the smart assistant as ideal for tasks like answering questions, managing calendars and to-do lists, and playing music. It launches this May in several colors and will cost $130 for the standard model and $180 for a version with upgraded Harman Kardon speakers. Number 2. Dell introduced several convertible laptops this year, and the most notable include its Latitude 7285 and new XPS 13 models. The former is a Surface Pro 4 rival that includes a sharp screen, stylus, and a sturdy keyboard that more closely resembles that of a laptop than most hybrids. The latter is an updated version of Dell's already great XPS 13 that includes a flexible rotating hinge for use in different positions. Number 1. Remember that old engineering project that turned cockroaches into cyborgs that you can control using electrical impulses? Yeah, that was awesome. And kind of gross. In a new project called DragonFlye, researchers are doing the same thing to dragonflies, turning the fast-flying insect into a cyborg drone you can pilot remotely. Similar to the cockroach project, the dragonflies are fitted with a tiny backpack of electronic components that allow the researchers to communicate with the insects. In this case, however, the dragonflies have had their neurons genetically modified so that they are more sensitive to light, allowing the insects to be controlled using measured light pulses.